As an assistant manager of OK Office systems, you work with the manager to set prices for sale products. You will create a worksheet that lists products on sale this week. Specifically, you will enter product names and product codes. Then you will enter the cost that OKOS pays its suppliers and the markup rate. Later, you will create formulas to calculate the regular retail price, the sale price, and the profit margin. You will open an existing Excel workbook that contains the title, column labels, and some data. It is a good practice to click Save periodically to save changes as you build a workbook. The title, column headings, and percent off values have been entered already. Begin by typing the name of the first product, computer system, in cell A5. When you press Enter, Excel moves down to the next cell in the same column. That cell is then the active cell. Type each product name and press Enter to make the cell in the next row active. Notice that the product names extend into column B. You will widen column A later so that the product names will fit completely within the column. The product labels are needed to identify the product name for the values on the same row. You want to assign a product code for each product on sale. You will assign consecutive numbers 101 to 106. After typing the first code number, you will use autofill to complete the rest of the series. The product name computer system no longer overlaps into column B after you enter data into cell B5. The pointer looks like a black plus sign when you point to the fill handle. Excel copies 101 as the item number for the rest of the products. However, you want sequential numbers instead of the same number for each row. Excel changes the duplicate values to continue sequentially in a series of numbers ranging from 101 to 106. You need to enter the cost of each product, which is the amount OKOS pays its suppliers. This value is needed to calculate the retail price OKOS will charge its customers. Type the values in column C. Use the number keypad if your keyboard has one so that you can quickly enter values in a column. The markup rate is the decimal equivalent of a percent. For example, you mark up the computer system by 50% or 0.5 of its original cost. You entered the rates as decimal values for now. Later, you will apply the percent style format. The percent off was entered as a decimal value. This is the rate that you use to mark down the retail price for the sale. For example, you mark down the computer system 15% of its retail price for the sale. Because different products go on sale each week, you should document the worksheet with the starting date for this week's sale. When you enter the numerical month and day, Excel displays the abbreviated month name and hyphen and the date. You want to clear the date in its formatting so that you can enter the date in a different format. Use Clear All to clear the formatting and contents and start over. You started the foundation for the OKOS pricing information sheet. It contains the title, date, column headings, product names, cost, markup rate, and percent off rate. The spreadsheet is organized so that you can enter formulas when you obtain that information from your manager.